Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you that how can you delete your OneDrive account. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Google Chrome and go to your Google. Search for onedrivelive.com. After coming on OneDrive, it will show you an interface like this. Now you have to open up your profile. Tap on your profile and it will take you to your Microsoft account's home. After reaching your home page, you have to tap on your info. It will take you to this page and open up all your information, and you have to scroll down and you'll see in account information you will find the option of close account. Tap on it. Just wait for a little while it is opening. Now you have to scroll down and tap on continue. It will take you to another page. You have to read all the information in this page carefully. After reading this page carefully, you just have to scroll a little down and you'll find the option of continue with closing your account. You have to tap on it and it will show you more options and more conditions and more information. You have to read it again. Just have to scroll down and it will show you this option of closing your account. Wait for a little time while it is processing. After processing this, it will send a verification code on your Gmail account. You have to check your inbox and write that code in this bar and press verify. Now tap on continue again and your OneDrive account will be deleted. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching it. By following these steps, you can delete your OneDrive account easily.